This is a state-of-the-art paddy dryer, designed with a capacity to dry 50 quintals of paddy per batch. Each batch takes only 2 hours to complete, including loading, unloading, cooling, and drying time. In the initial phase, these machines were purchased by the Telangana Government and installed for farmers at agricultural market committees in Suryapet, Khammam, Mahabubabad, and Warangal districts. The machine is operated by a 45 horsepower tractor. For each 2-hour batch, the diesel consumption is just 14 liters, combined for both the tractor and the dryer. It is a multi-crop dryer, suitable not only for paddy but also for crops like maize, soybean, and sunflower. Being a mobile unit, it can be easily moved from one place to another. It features low maintenance, high safety, and easy